There are 4 different principles to come to the UK. If you want to come to the UK, I'm going to tell you how you can apply without any further help. If you really want to apply by yourself without any external help, I'm going to tell you in this video what is the requirement to apply as a spouse of British citizen person. So first of all, I'm going to tell you there are only 4 requirements to apply to come to the UK. So number 1 is a relationship requirement. Number 2 is English language. And number 3 is income requirement. Number 4 is accommodation requirement. So these are the 4 requirements you need to meet in order to apply successfully UK visa in order to come to the UK as a spouse of British person. First of all, I would like to say I'm going to tell you how this is important that you collect the exact right documents for your application. First of all, this is very important that you enclose all the documents. If you do not enclose all the documents, what will happen then? Your application will be refused, even if you are genuine family member of the British citizen, even if you are applying under the correct requirement. But if you do not enclose the right documents, then what will happen? Your applications will be refused, and then your fees you have already applied will be wasted, and you won't be able to get or to refund your application once your application has been processed. So let me tell you the first requirement and the documents you want to enclose in order to apply successfully to come to the UK as a spouse of British person or the settled person. First of all is the relationship requirement. In the relationship requirement, you will need to enclose your marriage certificate. And marriage certificate must be translated in English, which is very important. And